on the mix today, Maxine again, and now she is cooking up a bunch of stuff. Man, you would like to go and hear what Maxine has to say now about Ashanti. She's also talking about Janet and how she also, spoke to her a couple months ago telling her that she needed some help and this would have solved the problem that she's now having, and she did not respond. But go ahead and listen to what she has to say about the different issues why Janet needed Ashanti and many things more. Go ahead and catch the video, and remember to like, share, comment, and subscribe away, and have yourself a lovely Saturday.
Janet, me said Janet. First me come out and me try to blast. Janet is a needy person. She have her husband and everything. Hi Barbisha. She have her husband and everything. But you see like no for uno Jamaican man, no for uno die-hearted Jamaican man. Pum licking is good. It's good. It's step people that got nyam with uno woman from uno. No for uno man. If uno know so uno something not tan good. A little eating is good sometimes. Her people that got nyam with uno woman from uno. Nyam with uno woman completely. Because it was if the woman just used to the mama and papa. No liquor swing pan the pole and swing pan the no turn around and twist around pan the same thing. Then I do the same thing there. Long time Jamaican woman like myself. But no, me do it. Me not put myself in it. Me do everything except for me something. Me call Janet and me say, Janet, in a Florida, you have the noughest pawn shop. Pawn shop there in Florida till you look bad. Me say every corner you go, one dick shop there. Yes, every corner you go, there's a dick shop there. You don't need Ashanti. Why you need Ashanti for? Believe me, you go in at the store, they all they make tongue, Then they make tongue, Tongue vibrator. Yes, they make them. Me know you don't want you them a sing thing, Adrian, because you're a master of all trades. But no listen to me, you not let me apart you so much. And me say, no, my darling, I could never be. Never. I'm on the live right now. Could never be. Right now, me have 1 hour to come off of the live and figure myself down a market. 1 more hour. Me talk to you. Adrian, let me come back to the story now, Adrian. There is so much porn shop in, and when I said porn, a lot of you don't know what I'm talking about. Kind of found out they say, what she a talk about? What she a talk about? Fuck shop. A whole heap of fuck shop there in Florida. Then a fuck shop when you walk in there, you can hear moaning and groaning behind the scene. You can hear moaning. Me say, they have mourning and groaning behind the scene. They have all sorts of things behind the scene. You can get everything when you want done. Anything at all where you want done. And if you hold Janet have money, just give somebody a money and then do everything for you. So the big house and big jeep. Me no want to tell you say I'm no female. Me tell you no say I'm with Janet. But look how Janet drawing data into it now. Look how Janet drawing data till all her daughter Ashanti and Janet have to go quote Ashanti. They try to take with the people them house. Yes, at the daughter house. Me not tell you no say at the daughter jeep. The van belongs to the daughter. Yes, the same one of the pan the lawsuit. It wasn't his. And he's Ashanti, you played the tape yesterday. You play the tape where the Louis Vuitton and stuff like that. We all know it's a video. Because I could hear when you chip in on the video. Go play it again. We all could hear it when you chip in. It's a video. You don't have the stuff. You do not have the stuff because it's not yours. Remember, you borrowed all of them? You borrowed them. Oh, yes, they're real, but they're not yours. They're not yours. You have to bring them back. Lord Jesus, people, me need help. Me need help. Me say, can me have to go up. Me have to go strengthen Janet and make the lawsuit more, official. Yes, me have things to add on to the lawsuit, you know. Me have take out my own lawsuit. You remember me come here and me say to Janet, me say, Janet, you have the money, me have the case. Before Janet could not even think of going into the courthouse. But me know Janet when they carry cocky feelings to me. Yes, Janet when they carry cocky feelings to me, because to Ashanti talk how me ain't want things sinting and me ain't want things sinting. Janet, me never want it. Janet, I never wanted. Not even me blood stomach. Vanessa come here. Not even the pepper and the okra them wine show now in film. He went buy down at the farmer's market down the road. Down the road he went buy them. Not even, me glad you remind me, not even the pepper nor the okra them and the something them wine show in the basket and away film. I down a farmer's market he buy them right down the road. That's how much. And me are the young farmer they up there. Me the young Jamaican farmer. Me show you me tree them. Me show you when me a pick them. Me show you when the breeze blow them down. And me no more show you all of them the same thing there. Lord Jesus, you no make me them mix up because they come with the good story them. But go back to Janet now. Janet, come here. Janet, I literally want to talk to you. I literally want to talk to you. Me now cuss with you. Me know say you're afraid me tape you. But what is worse is everything is already out already. Me not tape you, Janet. Me not tape you. Me not stay so. Me already have all of the information what me want already. So me just fling you out. Me not tape you. Not taping you. Me not tape you, Janet. But Janet, woman to woman, I have to talk to you. I have to help you out with this one. Janet, me can help you out with this one. It shouldn't have to reach you so. It shouldn't have to reach you so, Janet, because I told you I could have helped you. Me tell you me couldn't help you. And when me come on you and me talk to you, and the boy run out about realtor, this and that, you went back straight to the realtor, and the realtor talked to you, and you went straight to Ashanti. Yes! I'm not joking. I'm gonna send you the thing. This is worse than a real life movie. I'm gonna send it to you. I am going to send it to you. Don't worry yourself. Janet, me want to help you. Then Rose, why you telling Janet to run? Rose, why you telling Janet to run? It better if Janet went give me a money and make the boy go than did this grace where they come down and she and her family. Rose, you are drunk, bro. Rose, you are dirty girl. You worse. You Rose black, so I not black you. You worse more than dirty Ashanti. You worse more than Ashanti was sucked down Rose clitoris. You worse more Ashanti, Rose. Rose, you are drunk, Rose. You are drunk because if me say to Janet, say Janet, Ashanti a dirty somebody, a dirty man, and the money, Lord Jesus, Rose, really, Rose? Rose, really? You can't want woman there behind the page there. Every woman shouldn't they roll over in the grave right now. Janet mama they roll over in the grave and know what Ashanti do to Janet and her daughter. That's Janet's daughter and the file and the court documents, you know. Janet's daughter. And you Rose they come look and ban me right now and they say Janet fi run because me want money. What is money, Rose? Rose, what is money? What is money, Rose? Rose, what is money? Tell me what is money, Rose. Rose, I highlight you the look. Rose, I highlight you the look and me not arguing on this morning. Rose, you a nasty nigga. And for you clitoris, Ashanti shouldn't suck down. For you damn drunk for you. Me not argue with you, Rose. People, you know better Janet when give me one money. That me can't go file the lawsuit against him and you have to run out of Florida. You know better when give me it. You know how much Janet have to pay right now? Do you know plus the humiliation, plus the shame and disgrace when they pan Janet right now and her family? The whole of Janet Torrid or bus out, what's someone home when bus you out here? And Michelle, let me tell you something. Let me hold on there. No, hold on the people. Hold on. Michelle, no call me name. Whether you call it indirectly or directly. Because when this happened, I come out here and I said, Janet is from Lorian's platform. Ashanti Suckwell Janet from Lorian's platform. And you all give a deaf ears and a blind eye to it. Now, one of you come out and say, boy, sister to sister, Janet, and what you they do? But now the whole of you can go on and go on and go on. How the woman over there so when come say this and it. Yes, we went come one a long time. Long time. We went come one her. Let me play something here. A long time me want her. Long time. Boy, me have too much phone. I have too much phone. A long time me want her. Friend in the one with you remember, alright. A long time me want her. And me said Janet. Me carry out Janet and me talk to Janet decently. And every word what me say to Janet because they know say me and the realtor friend. And me give Janet the realtor. Every news then carry over there.